Oh, there were two of them. There was another one in the tree. I guess they're cranes. Oh, they're so beautiful. Huh. Yeah, I just didn't know water birds like that could land in a tree. They always like the tree that's been struck by lightning, so obviously it's got to do with the accessibility to the branches. But then again, they were in this tree, and the second one came out of the leaf tree, which I guess would be a bit easier to grip than that one, because in my mind, little things like that could cut the webbing of their feet. So